Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Jamal and today I'm going to explain to you 5 reasons why you should become a software engineer. So reason number 1 would be the pay. The IT industry is a very lucrative career path. Entry-level jobs start about 85K a year. That's not bad. So coming out as a college graduate, getting into a job in the IT world, making 85K, that's some pretty good change. So if you're going to work 40 hours a week, you should be getting the most bang for your buck. So I would definitely recommend anyone that's curious about pursuing software engineering to definitely take a serious approach into it. That leads me to reason number 2. And there's various fields to choose from. Remember when I first started, I first got my role in software engineering. My first job was a quality analyst. So what I did as a quality analyst is I would manually test the websites and the mainframe application just to make sure that there was no bugs before we go into production. That was just my starting career as a software engineer. There's so many roles that you can choose from within the software engineering umbrella. You can choose to be a data analyst or a data scientist. You can be a developer. You could be an architect. You can be an automation engineer. You can be a security engineer. You can even be part of the mobile app development team. With all those career paths that you can choose from, there's definitely something that's going to work for you. I'm a senior automation engineer and I absolutely love that role. If you guys want to know more about what I do, leave a comment below and I probably would do like a day in life on what I do as an automation engineer. So you guys let me know. Reason number 3, you can be creative and innovative. No matter what job or career path or anything that you do in life, if it allows you to be creative, then it's a good thing to pursue. Hey, it goes without saying, in IT there's definitely going to be problems that you need to solve, and that's why we get paid the big bucks. I love being a software engineer. You know why? Because it allows me to be creative, allows me to think outside the box, make me actually use my brain juices to actually figure out how to solve something. So as an automation engineer, I usually have thousands of test cases that needs to be executed in a very short period of time, and it also needs to report back any passes or failures that may have occurred during testing. It's great to be part of a team where you can take an idea and actually make it a final product. I think that's pretty awesome. So that leads me to my 4th point, and that's teamwork and networking. So I would say about 80% of my time is about just writing code and debugging any problems that's in the application. The other 20% I spend in meetings, usually in the form of a scrum. So what happens in the scrum, we would have a scrum master and would have about 5 or 6 key players within the development lifecycle, and all we do is to give feedback on what are we doing for the day. Is there any roadblocks that are hindering us from progressing? Is there anything that you would like to share? So that what usually happens in my 20%. That's pretty good. So overall, I think it's just great to work a part of a team. There's many benefits of working with a team and getting closer to people. They are more willing to help you when you have a problem. You can quickly send them an email or a quick IM if that's available and say, hey, you know, I'm having an issue with this problem. Can you take a look at it for me? I tried this, but that's not happening. And you get good feedback. It's just a good work style. Leave it as that. Last point, and I don't know why I made this my last point. Should have been number 1. Anyways, last but not least, my 5th reason on why you should become a software engineer. So last but not least, my 5th reason on why you should become a software engineer. My 5th reason is the ability to work from home. Come on, working from home is an amazing perk to have. You can wake up a little later. You don't have to worry about the road rage. You don't have to worry about spending unnecessary money on lunch and gas. Boom. Most importantly, you can spend a lot of quality time with your family, and that's what I enjoy doing. This really should have been number 1. I'm just gonna leave after this, man. Anyway, so there you have it, guys. 5 reasons on why you should become a software engineer. I mean, those are 5 solid reasons. Come on. Boom. Reason number 1, the pay. 2, various fields to choose from. 3, you can be creative, you can be innovative. 4, you work with a team, you network. And last but not least, the ability to work from home. So if you guys like the content, please feel free to give me a like, subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I'm going to talk to you more about software engineering, some photography and videography, and what I do on a day-to-day basis. So I'll see you guys in the next video. It's late. I gotta go to sleep. It's 2:45 in the morning. Good night.